Hello, how are we all doing out there? Hope everybody is well. Welcome back to my channel, Alifeinhighdef. Thank you for joining me. So, you've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know what we're here for. We're here for this, my glam box, and it's a little bit late, but it's okay because now we're here and we're ready to open. So if you want to find out what is inside April's box, if it's any good, and maybe if you want to snag one yourself, you know what you need to do. Give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and join my high def family. Of course, you can hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and share this video because everyone wants to be glam, right? Okay, let's get into the video. So, this month's box is like this. It's a bit fat. There's something large in here. Is it good? I don't know. Well, actually, I do know. That's a fib. I've opened it. I've had a brief look. I've actually consumed something from this box because I couldn't wait. It was a bit naughty. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. It's £15 plus £3.99 PMP, so it's £18.99 a month, which does make it one of the more expensive boxes, but maybe it's worth it. You can decide. The box promises that the minimum value will be £40 and up to £100, which is pretty awesome. And it will always have lashes in, which is great, especially since I now use fake lashes all the time. So that is one good reason to be getting this box. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this up without... See, things falling out. And there's this as well. This month is the Rose Gold Glam Box. This is, welcome to my glam box. We're so excited for this month's theme, the Queen of Colours Rose Gold. Get your camera ready. Not only is this glam box full of beautiful products, it looks incredible too. This month, your glam box also features an exclusive product only available to subscribers. We know you're going to love creating looks for your new products. Need some inspo? Our Instagram is full of makeup looks achieved by using the products in this month's box by some incredible celebrity makeup artists. If you'd like to be featured, social media, blah, 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 love my glam squad. Let's get going. Now, the first thing is this. It's a voucher at £50 off when you spend £25, and it says my glam box. You can see there. Now, this is nice, but I don't count this towards the cost of the box. Well, the value of the box, because A, you might not want to use this voucher. B, you have to spend more money than this voucher is worth. You have to spend £25 to get 15 off, so you have to still spend £10. And see, the largest clothing size on this website, the largest clothing size on this website is a 14. So if you're between 8 and a 14, you can use that. If you're bigger than that, you can't use it. And I am bigger than that, as are quite a lot of people. So this is just, doesn't count. Let's go on to something that does count. Lashes. Lashes do not care what size you are, what you look like, what skin you are. They don't care. They're just lashes. And these are pretty nice. They are Molly lashes, as you can see, because you can read. This month's lash feature is by Molly Cosmetics, owned by a makeup artist who has been in the industry for years, working in all aspects of makeup, including fashion, catwalk and editorial. We're obsessed with their fluffy lashes. With the aim of providing high quality and affordable cosmetics to makeup artists, Molly Cosmetics brings you luxury for less. So they don't come with any glue or anything, but they do look very nice, and I look forward to giving them a try. Just a little bit of info about these lashes. So Molly's Cosmetics is an independent cosmetic brand based in Liverpool, UK, founded in 2016. The business was created by Kate, a makeup artist who's been in the makeup industry for 6 years, built up experience. She wanted to offer a pro member discount to makeup artists, self-taught makeup artists, beauticians, students, lash technicians, salon owners, store owners, bloggers, YouTubers, influencers, so that people didn't have to bulk buy lashes to be able to get a good price. They could get small amounts of lashes, you know, like one pair if they needed to or whatever, at a reasonable price that they could afford, which is very nice. She does mink eyelashes, 3D silk eyelashes, synthetic eyelashes, eyeshadow palettes, brow pomades, glitter eyeliners, gel eyeliners, lip glosses, matte liquid lipsticks and highlighters. Next we have this from K Rose B, and we had another K Rose B item last month. This is pressed diamonds in the colour Aurora. K Rose B Cosmetics brings you incredibly pigmented shades which are a must-have for any makeup lover. With 36mm pans bigger than industry standard size, each product comes with an iron sticker to stick to the pan if you wish to add a magnetic palette, or wish to add it to a magnetic palette. Best applied with either a finger or short hair dense brush. For increased intensity, wet the brush before application. Prepare to dazzle. Okay, let's have a look. So it comes in this like little folded out thing. Nice on the back. Looks very pretty. Let's give it a swipe or two around. Nice. Oh, that's shiny. Look at that. That's impressive. And even with a bit of sort of rough blending, I know it's not real blending, let me just hold my arm, that is still super shiny. I'm impressed with that. That's really good. K Rose B Cosmetics are made by a lady called Kelly. She started in August 2016. She started a beauty group on Facebook, and from here K Rose B Cosmetics was born. Not with the voice of one beauty lover, but with the voice of thousands. There you go. Don't say I don't give you information. Right, what have we next? Oh, we had 2 packs of Love Hearts and I already ate one of them. But that was a nice touch. Thank you very much. Oh, let's have a look at this. Plush brush. And it's a Kabuki brush. It says how to use it. Just swirl it. Okay. It looks like this in the bag. It says it's all about the base with our favourite foundation application brush. Plush brush. Perfect for liquid foundation application, giving great coverage with minimal effort. Oh, it is nice and soft. Have to give this a go another day. I don't actually have a brush like this, so, or do I? No, I have one that's more of a powder brush because it's bigger. So yeah, this is my first. Very exciting. So the website for this was set up in 2017 and this is the only thing they sell. Just this. One plush brush. That's weird. It doesn't tell you what it's made of. There's not much information on this site, which doesn't make me feel very satisfied. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. Maybe it's fine. Maybe the site's completely fine. There is an email address and a contact thing, but there's no telephone number. There's no in-depth information about this brush, what the hair's made of or anything like that. It's just a bit odd. Maybe check out some reviews if you were thinking of buying this, but it's actually really expensive. I mean, I don't think I'd ever spend £20 on this. It's nice, I'll have it, but I wouldn't spend £20 on it. If you're thinking, I love this, then I would suggest just having a little check into the background of the company before you buy it. Now I've just been bitten, I don't want anyone else to be. So next we have this from a company called Hebe, never heard of it. It's a lip gloss. It says Hebe Cosmetics brings you the prettiest pink lip gloss designed to suit every tone and pull together any makeup look. As seen on Olivia Buckland from Love Island, Toff from Made in Chelsea, and Binky Felsted from Made in Chelsea, and Charlotte Crosby from Geordie Shore. Hebe's glosses are loved by celebrity makeup artists. Okay, and these are the colours that they do them in. And I have got the light pink one, which is a bit sad. I prefer a darker one, but you know, it's not the end of the world, is it? Looks like that. Just a normal applicator there. Oh, okay. That is a lot more opaque than I thought it would be. When it said it's a lip gloss, I thought it was going to be like, you know, just a shiny, glossy thing that you wouldn't see much colour, but that's got quite a lot of colour. And it smells really nice. That's gone up in my estimation. Thank you very much. Their lipsticks and lip glosses are both cruelty-free and vegan, which is great. Hebe Cosmetics was created by makeup artist Millie Ray in 2017 with a vision of creating a cruelty-free and vegan makeup brand that would sell high-quality cosmetics. There's something wrong with the website, you can't see all the letters. High-quality cosmetics at a lower price point. Hebe believes in supporting girls and women of all ages and races and strives to bring to market inclusive makeup for every female. We work closely alongside freelance celebrity makeup artists and offer 30% discount to working makeup artists, as we appreciate how expensive a professional makeup kit costs. Professional makeup kit is, I think, is what they mean to say. It's currently based in Leeds but ships worldwide. Sounds good. Now it's all about the glitter. So this is the first little pot here with our rose gold theme. And this is just called Rose Gold. It's made in America. It's by Iconic by Felicia. So 3D eye glitter. Iconic has all your glitter needs covered, whether it be for festivals or if you just want to channel your inner slay queen on day to day. Their 3D rose gold glitter gives a multi-dimensional and statement look and is vegan and cruelty free. It can be used on your face, body and eyes, so get ready to sparkle this summer. Okie doke. I don't know if I just hold my arm, if you can see that it's got bigger bits of glitter, smaller bits of glitter, and I guess that's what makes it 3D. So if you just press it on, it kind of stays where you put it and then moves around like normal glitter, I guess. I tell you what would be really nice is if they actually, let me see, oh, I did that last time, didn't I? This glitter stuff is so dangerous. I haven't recovered from my last glitter escapade. It's still everywhere and gets on everything. It'd be really nice if they actually put some glitter glue so you could help stick it to you wherever you want to stick it to, since they're doing quite a lot of glitter in these boxes. So this came about in like 2017, or at least the website's from 2017. Her name is Felicia and she's known as Felicia Ox on Instagram. I'm a makeup artist and social media beauty influencer. I have my fingers in a lot of pies and would not have it any other way. I love all things glam and extra sparkly, therefore it's only right that my cosmetics line represents me and all that I live for. Iconic is not aimed at any particular age group or season or event. The product is suitable for all year festivities, including the popular festival season, proms, weddings, parties, all year celebration. The multi-purpose glitter can be used on the face, body, hair, nails, and even arts and crafts projects. Our company philosophy is simple: to give our customers an outstanding product that does what it says on the bottle. At the end of the day, there's nothing complicated. It's just glitter. There you go, sounds good. So our last items are exclusive eye pigments from the Be Beautiful studio. I sort of covered a bit of information about them last time, but they create bespoke glitters. They've got loads, like tons of glitters on their website available, and they do it in cheaper packaging because they want to give the highest quality glitter for their customers at the lowest price. Colorglo looks like this. And this is the colour Instagram, and they are not available on the website. Now these are very, very, very fine glitters. They're like powder. It's almost like powder eyeshadow. See that? So it's that kind of glitter. It's not chunky. I tell you what it's like. It's like powdered eyeshadow, gold powdered eyeshadow with glitter mixed in. Do you see what I mean? It's hard to see on camera, but on my hand I can see it looks like I've just wiped a bit of eyeshadow with glitter in on my hand. So that is like a gold one, and I guess this is like a sort of gold. This glitter is rose gold-ish coloured, which is what you'd expect since this is a rose gold themed box. And I don't know if you can see it on my hand just there. That's what it comes out like. Yeah, pretty nice. Glitter everywhere now. These ones are priced at £6 each, and their normal glitters are £5 each. I guess that's just because they are one-offs, so they're going to be priced a little bit higher. The glitters are also vegan and not tested on any animals whatsoever, and other celebrities like Love Island celebrities and stuff have used them. If you're worried about that kind of thing and want to be in with the celebs, then buy these glitters, I guess. How much is this box worth? Well, this month's box is worth £35. Yay! It's not the £40 minimum that they said the box was going to be, and maybe they include that voucher, but I'm sorry, I can't include the voucher because I can't use it and it requires me to spend money to get that. So that's just an extra thing to me. That is not part of the value of the box. Maybe they thought it was, but it's not to me. But overall, it's still almost twice the cost of the box. So that's okay. Not the greatest, but okay. What do I think of the items inside? Well, I like my little plush brush. This is cute. I like it. It's soft. I don't like that I don't know what it is though. I'd like a bit more information because, you know, I'm the queen of info. Well, at least a princess. Maid in waiting. And £20 is really a lot of money for a brush that I don't know anything about. Like, what brand is this? I don't know what this is. I'd need to know a little bit more about it before I could say that it's worth its price tag of £20. I mean, I wouldn't pay £20 for it, that's for sure. But it is nice and I will use it. The lip gloss I'm actually really impressed with because I thought it was going to be a lot more, what's the word, translucent than it is. So I'm happy with that, and it smells nice. There's other colours I would have preferred, but it's okay, I will use it. The eyelashes, love the eyelashes, happy to have those. And this eyeshadow colour is really good. Yeah. Oh, that lip gloss is still sticky, by the way. I mean, I know it's gloss, so I guess it's sticky, but just to let you know, it is still sticky. Not quite as excited about the glitters, not because they're bad quality or anything like that, but just because I don't really use glitter that much. I'm not going to any festivals. I'm a stay in bed kind of girl, not a rave kind of girl. But I know that there's some people who will really, really love them, and I'm going to probably put them aside to go in my giveaway so somebody else can really appreciate them for my 500 subscriber giveaway, I guess. So I'm probably going to use about 60-65% of the products in here, which is okay. It's not the best, but that's down to me rather than maybe the box. But I would really like to see some glitter glue. If we're going to get more glitter, or glitter every single month, I really would like to see some glitter glue so we can stick it to our eyes and things more easily. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing some brands that we haven't seen before. So these K Rose B Cosmetics is nice, but it'll be nice to see another brand that I haven't seen before. And the same with the Be Beautiful Studio. It would really be good to see a different brand next month. Let me know what you think. Should I keep this box? Would you get this box? Is it worth £19 a month? Or is it not? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful to find out all about the Glam Box. Until you see me next time, which is going to be super soon, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.